Hello everyone, today in this video we'll talk about Ghent University Mastermind Scholarships 2024-2025. This university is located in Belgium, and let's start. So what are our first we will discuss the eligibility criteria, then academic requirements, nationality requirements, application process, document required, application deadline, evaluation criteria, benefits of mastermind scholarship, and all the details. Okay, so introduction is mastermind scholarships funded by government of Flanders, Belgium are designed to support exceptional international students who wish to pursue a master's degree at Ghent University. Now, eligibility criteria, nationality. The mastermind scholarship is open to students of all nationalities, irrespective of their country of origin. Academic achievement: prospective applicant must demonstrate a strong academic track record with minimum CGPA of 3.5 out of 4. Okay, and language requirements. Proficiency in the English language is essential for successful participation in academic programs at Ghent University. Such as applicants are required to provide proof of English language proficiency through recognized language tests such as TOEFL, IELTS. So it's necessary that you should provide them the IELTS and TOEFL. Okay, and then by adhering these eligibilities, the Ghent University aimed to select the candidate who not only possess the academic aptitude to excel in their chosen field of study, but also demonstrate the proficiency. Okay. Now, academic requirements: to be eligible, applicant must demonstrate the outstanding academic achievements in their previous studies. Nationality requirements: while scholarships are open to students from all nationalities. Application process: the application process for Ghent University Mastermind scholarships involves several steps, including submission of required documents and adherence to specific deadlines. Required documents complete along with the supportive documents such as academic transcripts, letter of recommendation, and personal statement. Deadlines, evaluation criteria, you can take a look here. Benefits of mastermind scholarship are financial grants. Okay, recipient of the mastermind scholarship are awarded 10,000 euro for academic year 2024-2025. Okay, tuition fee waiver, accommodation expenses, living expenses, part-time work opportunity as well. So it's a good opportunity, guys. You can apply for that scholarship, and how you can apply is click here, apply now, and here you can first check your eligibility to apply, and then Flemish institution of your choice, and then step 2 is submit your application to the host institution. The institution eligible applicants and all the steps you can take a look here. Documents which you need to upload, you can take a look here. Letter of motivation written in English, all the documents you can take a look here. Okay, and then submit your application. Deadline is 28th April 2024. You still have a lot of time. I wish you best of luck, and if you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll add the link in the description. Take care, and yeah, I wish you best of luck. Bye bye.